Wait, hold on. Are you seriously still manually typing out your study notes right now? Because if you are, you're literally wasting countless hours of your life. A brand new tech update just dropped that makes traditional studying completely obsolete. Welcome to this high-energy explainer. Today, we're breaking down the explosive 2026 updates to NotebookLM that are absolutely changing education and research forever. If you want to know how to save hours of your life while actually understanding your material deeper than you ever thought possible, well, you're in exactly the right place.
Just think about your current routine for a second. You stare at hundreds of pages of dense text, desperately trying to force the information into your brain. But what if your textbook could actually talk back to you? I mean, imagine if your boring lecture notes suddenly started debating complex concepts with you while you're walking to the gym. Having a dynamic, back-and-forth conversation with a massive research paper sounds like pure science fiction, right? But as we're about to see, this is the new reality.
Okay, so let's dive into how this actually works. You just upload your PDFs, academic papers, or even YouTube lectures, and NotebookLM instantly transforms them into this massive, interactive learning arsenal. We're talking instant educational podcasts, automatic quizzes, smart flashcards, and a real-time AI tutor. It does all the heavy lifting of creating the study material for you, leaving you to focus entirely on, actually comprehending the stuff.
All right, Section 1. AI Podcasts. Turning static notes into real conversations.
So this feature completely broke the internet by turning dry text into a two-person audio show. But previously, you just sat there and listened passively. The 2026 interactive mode changes the game entirely. Now, you can literally interrupt the AI hosts mid-conversation. You can just jump in and say, "Wait, hold up, explain that part about cellular division again, but keep it simple." And the AI responds and adapts to you in real time. You're basically carrying an on-demand, interactive teaching team right in your pocket.
Moving on to Section 2, the hallucination problem. Why generic AI chatbots fail at studying.
Now, you might be thinking, hey, doesn't my standard everyday AI chatbot already do this? But here is the massive conflict. Normal AI pulls from the vast and frankly completely unreliable ocean of internet garbage, and it constantly hallucinates facts just to sound confident, highly risky for your grades. So, to actually protect your work, NotebookLM operates securely on only the specific documents you upload. You're not asking random questions to the open internet. You're talking directly and exclusively to your specific study material. It completely eliminates the risk of hallucinated garbage.
Section 3. Reclaiming your time. The ultimate productivity features.
Instead of grinding for 3 hours manually writing out study material, one click creates instant flashcards and generated quizzes. But here is the true game changer, the thing that makes this absolutely crucial. These aren't just generic questions. They are hyper-relevant to your specific upload. And if you get an answer wrong, the AI doesn't just say incorrect and move on. Instead, it provides the exact citation from your uploaded sources, showing you exactly where you misunderstood the text.
But real learning isn't just about memorizing isolated facts, right? It's about seeing the big picture. And that brings us to automated visual mind maps. NotebookLM instantly shows you exactly how different theories, people, and ideas connect across hundreds of pages of dense research. It's like a giant puzzle coming together. Suddenly, a chaotic pile of notes becomes a perfectly structured web of knowledge.
Let's look at Section 4, Your Personal AI Tutor. The power of active learning loops.
Okay, things get scary good right here. NotebookLM features an interactive learning guide that functions less like a search engine and way more like an active questioning tutor. Using the explain back technique, you actually teach the concept to the AI. Then the AI checks your explanation against your source documents and validates or corrects you in real time. By forcing your brain to organize the information well enough to teach it, you drastically increase your long-term retention. It's brilliant.
Section 5. Wild 2026 Updates. The complete AI research ecosystem. So NotebookLM is rapidly evolving well beyond just a clever study app. Check this out. It now automatically builds narrated video slideshows, pulling diagrams and quotes directly from your documents. It utilizes a deep research function to actively scour for new peer-reviewed academic sources to fill in your knowledge gaps. And as a massive productivity hack, you can now upload audio, like, say, a 2-hour lecture or a massive corporate meeting, and it'll instantly transcribe it into perfectly searchable, quizzable notes.
Section 6. The Hidden Power Hack. Mastering Custom Instructions.
10 1,000. That is the massive number of characters you can use to feed the AI a highly specific custom instruction guide. You have an enormous amount of space to strictly control its output style, its tone, and its overall behavior. And this translates into incredible customizability. You can literally command the AI to explain this concept like a Harvard professor, or tell it, hey, use simple, beginner-friendly analogies. You can force it to focus strictly on potential exam questions, or format everything into comparison tables. By mastering this one single feature, you completely change the quality and format of your results to perfectly match your personal learning style. Ultimately, what we are looking at here is a massive shift in education. NotebookLM is solving the absolute core conflict of modern learning, having way too much information and nowhere near enough time. The question is no longer how you're going to study, but what you'll actually be able to achieve now that all the busy work is just gone. Look, the landscape of tech is moving at lightning speed, and we want to make sure you are always one step ahead. So drop a comment below and tell us, what AI tools should we cover next? Let us know what you want us to investigate. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more fast-paced updates, and we'll see you in the next explainer.